What if your daily food is full of insects? Would you like to eat bugs? If you ask me the same question, the answer will absolutely be no. But if the thought of eating bugs makes you squirm, then it's a piece of bad news for you, as your favorite chocolate, coffee, and macaronis are secretly containing bugs and insects, and they're legal to consume. So we're pretty sure that you haven't been probably chowing down on many-legged creatures for a long time? How is that possible? Today we're going to show you how in your life you are eating so many bugs and insects and why it's safe for your health. So don't skip the video and please hit that subscribe button to stay in tune with our channel. Let's get started. Most of our favorite food and drinks may secretly contain bug bites, and what will freak you out a little more is that it's absolutely legal. According to an insect control company, Taro, based in Pennsylvania, USA, on average we consume around 140,000 insect bits every year. What's more, even the Food and Drug Administration approves a certain amount of bug infusions and it is considered to be normal and legal. But why are these bug bits and insects considered safe? The reason why these bug bits and insects are allowed in minimum quantities, in most of our processed foods at least, is that insects are rich in proteins, healthy fats, calcium, iron, and are low in calories, and a little addition of these is not considered harmful for health. Well, the question is how these insects are infested in our food. Actually, our favorite processed foods are packed with insects and bug bits because the production units are vast and most procedures involve mechanical processing. It's practically impossible to keep an eye on every unit of production. For example, according to FDA guidelines, 125 grams of chocolate may contain as much as 60 to 74 bug fragments, and cockroach bits are one of the most common insect bits found in chocolate. Not only this, but 10% of insect-infected beans are also allowed in your pack of coffee, and this percentage is legal to consume. Well, this is not a joke, as not all bugs are acceptable. But if you do find a bug, or more specifically, a blister beetle, you should notify the FDA as the presence of toxic blister beetle bugs is a great concern for investigation. So you can consume only that percentage of bugs which is acceptable and not harmful for your health. So viewers, we hope you enjoyed today's video on what if your everyday food is full of insects. Please subscribe, like, and share, and always be with us for the next video.